When I said that I was cursed by technology, I was not kidding.
Did you
Okay, a
know
lot of things,
Detroit
bro.
was
I
on the
actually went to
Underground
have dinner and
Railroad,
it took
a route
a
for
bit of
slaves
time.
escaping into
Also, I
Canada
was
during the
mesmerized by that
American Civil
thing
War?
that the NBC is doing again, showing these kids like doing paintings and singing for COVID. But yeah, then I came upstairs and my LAN cable, and I think it's still not working. Yeah, it's still not. My LAN cable is not giving me internet. So I'm using my Wi-Fi right now, so it should be bad. Hola, ¿qué tal? My Wi-Fi should be terrible, but hopefully you can follow the game. Also, I did raise the volume on the game itself because I watched the stream afterwards. Hi! I watched the stream afterwards and it was pretty low, so you tell me if it's too high now, and I need a haircut. But let's get into it because I'm very, very late, as usual. Let's pick back up. Yesterday we closed with okay, Marcus got a new buddy. Kara was running from Kona. Okay, and I made it through the highway, so nobody died. And I didn't even let Kona photo her, so as I've been told, he would have died. So I'm quite happy with that. Let's see. I think this is the fourth episode of Let's see if my PS4 can blow up my house. Like I was downstairs coming back up, I could hear that thing from the staircase. Jesus Christ, what's a PS4 Pro? Come on. Come on, and it's taking that long to load. Come on. Come on, Mash. And it's stuck on 85. Is this part of the experience?
Several sources report that CyberLife has provided Detroit police with a prototype detective android. Although police assistant androids have existed for several years now, this would be the first case of an android being authorized to play an active role
Talking about Kona, right?
investigation. We contacted CyberLife for comment, but no longer.
We are now approaching Ferndale Station. Please take care of stepping onto the platform. Customers are reminded that all androids must arrive in the designated area.
There's a place where we can be free. Find Jericho.
Sorry. Okay, check it out. Alright. Look for graffiti. Yeah.
They missed it. You spare some change?
Not really.
What do you think?
Once again, you guys use paper money in 2038. Kara! Okay, I don't want to read anything negative. Please use your GPS for this mission. Can I? No, I can't talk. I'm sure I'll talk to you later. Follow trail to Jericho. Okay, well, that's that. Then I should keep going. What's the trail? I'll just keep walking. What can happen? Nothing bad happens to the Kennedy. Yeah, that's definitely right. No? Here for you. There's an Android boy band named Here for You. Well, you're not letting me touch the bloody thing. Oh. Oh, what do you mean by next graffiti? I'm using L2. Jesus Christ. That's just tedious. Okay, where can I find this one? I guess you have to move on, guys. Why are you showing me the magazine again? Detroit today, Android on the run. Nah, I don't care. Who reads in 2038? Should I go down? Yeah. Get used to the... Okay, I'm sorry the stream is laggy. Internet is shitty. So it's a hand of a boxer, and then on the right, what's a lion? It's right in front of us. This game is making really difficult.
Sorry, excuse me.
Is that a thief? Is that what they do to you? They like bump into you and just snatch stuff? Yeah, that's the one. Is that another symbol? Oh. Cool updated. Wait, I didn't see it. Stalls. Where am I gonna find stalls? Yeah, here it is. Everything is a given in this game. Ooh, it's red, I shouldn't cross. No, it's green. I wanted to do a bad thing. But alas. Yeah, I'm right in front of it. Need to be on the side. Should be here. Okay, let's go around. It's a bit of walking, but...
Hey, you got $1?
And how much walking do you have to do to get around this block? Yep, that's not it. Is there a way to get inside, Will? Can't do that from here. No. Can I get... No. No. Okay, I guess we can just... Yeah, you can... For people who've played the game, they must be very frustrated with how I play the game. Robots. That's funny. In this game, robots. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Should I cross? These are not robots. This is not the right direction. Oh, you can only cross. Lane. There's no car. Oh, there's one. But it's stopping. Yay. And this bus is stopping right on the tracks. Beautiful. And this is not the right way. This must be very frustrating to see me play right now. Aw, so cute. And that's a lot of PDA. Will chill maybe, guys. Get a room or something. I'll use this. I hate it, but I'll use this. Trail to Jericho. But it's not showing anything. It's not showing anything. Once again, people are just driving when it's green. Not saying that I never did that, but like, brave Adrien. The fact that it was so complicated to get to set up this stream is making me particularly annoyed and annoying at the same time. Bear with me. The fences from the first street.
You hear about that?
Fences. That was the first, right? That's where we come from. Fences. Wait, otherwise I can't just run. I'll run for it. I committed a crime. No, no, no. I just don't want that cutscene. Like, it's so annoying. The stores one? What stores one? Don't you dare just drive while I'm crossing. Okay, we are back from where we come from. We're not gonna go back up. Now, we have to... I see fences there, but I'm not sure. Pretty sure that's not it. Yeah, it's not. FMR. Do you count as fences? Are you? Fences? Let's take a look at this again. Yeah, there should be fences somewhere, but like, where? Why am I so bad at this game all of a sudden? It's because I'm tired. Wait. This bus is not going in that direction. It's fine. I can make it. I can make it. Are there robots here? Because this is a fence. I can't see anything. Should be white background. Wait, there was some place I wanted to try and enter from, wasn't there? This. Finally! I'm so bad. Oh guys, I'm tired. I was that close to cancelling the stream for today because I was just bloody tired. Having to do with the internet. Where's the last one though? Nice, small room, Adrien. Oh, freaking hell. Okay, I finally found this bloody fence. Let's take a look at you. There's the obvious one, the less obvious one, and that's it. Oh! Okay, I should pay more attention. Is that the same place, Kara? Here you are. And I have to move something for... That's why I couldn't scan it. It's not completely my fault. I don't know why Banksy decided to put it like super complicated. I'm tired of this minigame. This has been going on for way too long now. Just for the sake of being artsy. Where's the right angle for this? Is it here? Oh, it was here. Once again, since I'm not seeing more than one on this side, I suppose I'll have more platforming to do. Find a way to reach the roof, yes. Can I push something? You know how in this game you're like, I need scissors, and they just appear? So I need scissors. What's in there? No, can't use that. Alright. Losing the scanner. Or GPS, whatever we want to call it. Can I can't. Yes, game, I want to reach the roof, but you're... Ooh! What the hell? It's an awful place to die. Love it. Damn! Parkour! Parkour! For anyone who's watched The Office, little The Office joke for ya. Where's the third? Where is bloody third? Only see two in here. That it? This game. We can make it. I'm sure I'm gonna have to press something. Oh. How do I do this? Parkour. Parkour. This graffiti is Orkel. Megan Orkel? By any chance? That was easy. I bet it won't be that easy to find the free clues. I am very tired today. I might call it early today. Like, this was not fun. Here it is. My vision is getting worse by the minute. This is tiring. This minigame is very tiring. This is not fun. Okay, you're gonna do more parkour. Parkour! Ooh. That's death. Can I turn? How can I turn? I want to turn. I don't want to go there. I want to go there. This is not going to work. That's giving me Prince of Persia vibes, but without the fun part of it. Jesus Christ. Caution going in another direction. Any of that. Any other route? Any other route? Yeah, there is another route. Yeah, I can do that. Easy. See? Pressing the button. Yeah, it's very tedious. Like it's trying to test me. That's not why I'm playing this game. Not to play Blue's Clues right now. Oh my god, once again my capture card is screwing up, so this is just looking disgusting. Wait. That's another dead robot. Should be here, right? Because it's that angle. It is that angle. Definitely is. Let me guess. There's gonna be there's gonna be an optical illusion type of thing with this. Yeah. How do I activate it? It's alright. It's alright. Isn't everything gonna crumble though? Once I do this. Okay. No, wait. No, wait. I have to take a look at it. We should have another angle. Should have another angle, because like... Oh, I don't need more. Okay. Jericho. I made it. Finally, it's been like 87 years. Hey, he's got heterochromia. Well, he's a machine, so I'm not really sure if he can have it. I legit got a little scared. Just a little. Great, gotta find another way around now. Can I do this? Yeah. Are you gonna break too? Okay. Wow. Views. Really. Was very good decision. Oof. I was so scared I killed him. And he lost the code. Not sure that's how it works when you get into water, but who am I to judge? Please don't be more scary stuff. Saying that, I can't wait to play The Last of Us on stream. I've played The Last of Us 1 and 2. Love them, some of my greatest games of all times. Is there some light in here? But there's nothing. This is stuck. Why? Why? Why do you have to do this to me, game? My heart is weak. Let me just leave, please. Actually, let's freaking check everything. I'm kinda reassured by this. Sorry, I'm just gonna check if it's something important. No. Sorry. Must be very loud. Why do games hate me like this? Please stop. Pick it up. Please. Pick it up. I'm not gonna play Resident Evil. Unless it's the 4th. Because that was just an action game. Okay, I just reached a clan meeting.
Welcome to Jericho.
We're good. I hated that mission, but I don't feel like there was much else you could have done. No, I'm not gonna play Village. It's gonna be scary too, so I'm not gonna play Village. I'm good. I'll play The Last of Us, because Last of Us does horror differently. Also, I could play Bloodborne, which is a masterpiece of horror. Hank, my best buddy. Yeah, you were just crossing there, buddy. I'm walking over there. No, what is it? I'm walking over there, or is it I'm driving over there? How you doing, man? Hey, say.
Hey, listen, I got a shit hot tip for you. Number 5 on the third.
Look at his play. I feel he's on hell. Jesus.
You want to flood it?
Last shit.
Oh, that dude says essay.
Come on, this is different. It's 100% guaranteed. You can't go wrong.
Look at his splits. What am I scanning right now? Abdal Pedro. He's born in 2005. He's a Gen Zer. Criminal record, illegal gambling and fraud. Does that really count as a crime? Can you hear this? This thing is gonna blow up. Lieutenant Anderson, like, no criminal record, of course. It's my buddy over there.
Alright, I'm in.
Damn straight.
Okay, I guess he's an informant.
Hey, you won't regret this.
Alright, they say.
What is your problem?
Well, I mean, we don't look at
What you
people
ever
that
do
way.
as you're told? Look, you don't have to follow me around like a poodle.
Oh, Hank is gonna start liking me, for sure. Partners.
Now that we're partners, I thought it would be a good idea to get to know each other better so we can work as a team.
We are not partners. I'm human. You're a machine.
That's alright. Some people would have
Just
sex with
spare me
androids.
a buddy a bullshit program, okay? Here you go.
Oh, resisting arrest in breach of hygiene regulation? This is an hamburger. Cool.
Ah.
Things are
expired
scanned.
starving.
Don't leave that thing here.
Not a chance. Follows me everywhere.
Can I beat him up? Okay.
See?
Okay, it's split. Cholesterol.
Your meal contains 1.4 times the recommended daily intake of calories and twice the cholesterol level. You shouldn't eat that.
Everybody's got to die of something.
Okay, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I was such a weird smile.
Maybe I should tell you what we know about deviants.
You read my mind. Proceed.
We believe that a mutation occurs in the software of some
Mutation
android,
is software.
which can lead to them emulating a human emotion.
In English, please.
They don't really feel emotions. They just get overwhelmed by irrational instructions, which can lead to unpredictable behavior.
Emotions always screw everything up.
They do.
The androids aren't as different from us as we thought.
Hold that thought. Hank and androids? No, let's talk about Conan.
Is there anything you'd like to know about me?
Hell no. Well, yeah. Why do they make you look so goofy and give you that weird voice?
Cyberlife androids are designed to work harmoniously with humans. Both my appearance and voice were specifically designed to facilitate my integration.
Well, they fucked up.
This morning, when we were chasing those deviants, why didn't you want me to cross the highway?
Because you could have been killed. And
So
I
he does
don't
kill
like
him.
filling out paperwork for damage.
Yeah, sure. No, I'm not gonna click on that one. Let's see what happens. I don't want to click on that. I don't feel it.
Can I ask you a personal question?
Well, he asks anyway.
Why do you hate androids so much?
I have my reasons. You ever dealt with deviants before?
Well, I already got killed.
A few months back,
Hey,
a deviant was threatening to jump off the roof.
he didn't
of a
shoot in
little
my
girl.
version.
I managed to save her.
So I guess you've done all your homework, right? Know everything there is to know about me?
I know you graduated top of your class. You made a name for yourself in several cases and became the youngest lieutenant in Detroit.
Impressive. And then you
I
went
also
to
know
the
you've
Shawshank
received
Redemption and
several
killed people.
disciplinary warnings in recent years, and you spend a lot of time in bars.
So what's your conclusion?
Sincere.
I think working with an officer with personal issues is an added challenge. But adapting to human unpredictability is one of my features.
Wow, he winked. What
I
happened?
just got a report of a suspected deviant.
Okay.
It's a few
Was
blocks
that a
away.
wink or was that a bug?
We should go have a look.
What's happening,
I'll
Connor?
let you finish your meal. I'll be in the car if you need me.
Hey, Connor. You run out of batteries or what?
I'm sorry. I was making a report to CyberLife.
Well, do you plan on staying in the elevator?
No, I'm coming.
What do we know about this
Oh,
guy?
I don't want to die.
Not much. Just that a neighbor reported that he heard strange noises coming
Anytime
from
there's a
this floor.
suspect, I know.
Nobody's supposed to be living here, but the neighbor said he saw a man hiding an LED under his cap.
Oh, Christ, if we have to investigate every time somebody hears a strange noise, we're gonna need more cops.
Knock, knock, knock.
Anybody home? Open up! Detroit police!
Okay.
Stay behind me.
Got it.
Get in, Connor. Okay, not here. No, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it. I don't want Hank to die either.
What the fuck is this? Ah, Jesus, this place stinks.
Oh my god. Please,
Looks
don't
like we
be
came for
putting that.
nothing. Our man's gone.
Doesn't he? So that's not a human being. Or he's broke. Can I crack open a window? It's like, I can smell it. I can smell that room. Mo, in there, how?
I need some fresh air.
Yeah, you should get some fresh air and take care of the rest, because we're human beings, must be disgusting right now. Enhanced driver license. Rupert Travis.
The driver's license is fake.
Cool. At least we didn't come for nothing.
Yeah, but pigeons, man. Hurry up. Enter second-hand insurance RT.
RT. Probably initials.
Ralph Lauren.
Put his initials in his jacket? That's something your mom does when you're in first grade.
More of these.
Any idea what it means?
Troublesome.
RA9. Written 2,471
Yeah.
times. It's the same sign Ortiz's android wrote on the shower wall. Why are they obsessed with this sign?
Looks like mazes or something.
What's with stool? In bench. Still wet, usual gray color, midnight mood, black. Right. Recently disturbed, traces of avian fecal matter, of course, as on everything. Avian. Suspect was here recently. Inventory. Oh. Okay, but like. Okay, got it. I was just typing and then heard a knock and then fled. It's okay.
Ah, Jesus, I hate these things!
Stop putting. Ooh, blue blood. Cops. See, that's the issue.
Its LED is in the sink.
That's the issue. Like, everybody can
Not
just.
surprised it was an android. No human could live
Okay,
with all
maybe
these
he can
fucking
touch
visions.
stuff because he can't really tamper with evidence.
Real books. Thought I was the last guy in Detroit to keep some. Electronic books, you can't smell the paper.
Skid mark. You were blocking something. Why not? Metal hook. Okay. And finger marks. Let's reconstruct this page. Oh, you were hanging over there. He knocked it on the way. But then what? This big head at the center, yeah. Ooh.
See the
Oh, I'm gonna die
pages turn
here.
yellow. You have no idea what I'm talking about, do you? Goddamn fucking
Well,
pigeons! What are you waiting for? Chase it!
Okay, Lieutenant. Wait. Tell me QTE is starting, bro. Gotta catch it. I was made for this. Okay, easy but slow, balls, but... Yeah, we're gonna take that route. Balance, falls, but risky. Safer, I'm gonna go over there. Not sure that's what I meant to do, but you know. Dark, crowded, save any tool. Parkour! Wait, he... Shit. Ow. Okay, that's over there. Falls but risky, falls but risky, yeah. Please just don't die. It's not bad. Risky, is it? Press the right button. Jesus, don't die!
Holy shit!
Oh, you made it. Great. should get him. No. I'm not gonna find him here. No. No. I was never gonna let him.
We had it. Fuck. It's my fault. I should have been faster.
You'd have caught it if it weren't for me. That's all right.
Yeah, save your life.
We know what it
But
looks
yeah.
like. We'll find it. Hey, Connor.
Thanks.
Nothing.
Okay, so I could have caught him. Not much. We have time for a final mission. Oh, the clan.
Who are you?
Fugitives. Just like you. My name is Josh.
I'm Simon.
North.
No. Jericho.
This is Jericho?
It's a refuge for those who don't want to be slaves anymore.
How many are you?
There are 19 of us still in working order. The rest were damaged escaping their masters.
Many tried to reach Jericho. Few succeed. Humans have little pity for our kind.
I don't understand. I thought Jericho was a place where androids lived in freedom.
We do live in freedom.
But hidden.
It may not be what you hoped for, but here we have no master. We don't belong to anybody. I understand how you feel, but we have more freedom here than you ever did.
Waiting in the dark for something to happen? That's not how I see freedom.
They're lost. Just like the rest of us. We didn't ask for this. All we can do now is deal with it.
You're safe here.
That's
You
all
can
you
stay with
guys
us
do.
as long as you want.
Stay alive. It's
Go
not
and
much
see
of
Lucy.
living, is there?
She might be able to help you.
Who's Lucy? Okay, yeah, I need some repair. That's it. And also we'll find some light. You're not in the best of shapes, my brother.
Not in very good shape, am I?
It's good to be honest.
The diagnostic program isn't working. I don't think you would have anything good to say anyway.
What happened to you?
They tied me to the back of a car. I think they wanted to have fun. I don't want to shut down. No. I don't want to shut down.
Jesus. Humans. The compassionate ones. Find Lucy, explore Jericho. I bet Lucy is here because it's a bit of an ominous place. Yeah, it's gotta be her. It's like our
Are you Lucy?
black eyes and all.
Sit down.
Yeah.
show me?
I mean, ask me out for dinner first, but
I'll stop the bleeding.
still earlier. Oh no. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but like, it's not the best way to. That's not the best animated scene in the game, let's say it like this. Is that rubbing alcohol?
Drink this.
No blood. Chug, 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 chug.
Give me your hand.
What are you doing to me? It's not that I don't like it, but like,
You had it all,
I did.
and you lost it all.
I did.
You've seen hell, and now hell lives in you. Your heart is
It
troubled.
is the Oracle.
A part of shadow and a part of light. Which will prevail? Your choices will shape our destiny.
Damn. Just predicting on the Messiah. Messiah, yeah. Great. Just that. I'm gonna heal the world and make it a better place for you and for me and for the entire human race. Cool. Sorry.
I've heard humans are afraid of dying too. Do you know what happens after death?
No. No, I don't.
Well, I'm about to find out.
That's sad.
What's your name?
Marcus.
Marcus.
Oh.
I was glad to meet you, Marcus.
Yeah. Damn. It's cold-blooded. How do you just move on from a scene like this? Right, already empty. That's alright. I've got 2 working feet. Cyber life. Wait, there were a few things I could do. I don't want to just talk to someone straight away. No. A hot one. Wounded.
A lot of these guys in pretty bad shape.
That's how the humans treat those who disobey. They despise us. They'll never accept what we are.
Yeah. That's what humans are.
What was your function before coming here?
What do you care?
She was a sex robot, wasn't she?
Who found this place?
Nobody knows anymore. Whoever he was, his body's probably laying somewhere on this boat. You came here for comfort. You came to the wrong place.
Well, I came here to stay alive, so... Thanks for the talk. She was definitely a sex robot. Never that mind. Robot children. It's kind of weird that CyberLife would be manufacturing these.
They threw him out when they didn't want him anymore. He was living on the streets before we brought him here.
They'll all shut down if we don't find a way to help them.
To help them, we need blue blood and biocomponents. We salvage what we can from those who shut down. But there's never enough.
So, how do they survive?
They won't. We're slowly dying out.
Brother, not on my watch. I was born a freedom fighter. Maybe it means that I'm easily triggered, I'm not sure.
Simon. I know where we can find spare parts. CyberLife warehouses in the Detroit Harbor. They have everything we need.
The docks are guarded. We can't just walk in there and take what we want. Humans will never let us.
Which is why we won't ask permission.
We don't have any weapons. And even if we did, none of us knows how to fight.
We can steal what we need without fighting.
We'll just get ourselves killed.
Maybe. But it's better than waiting here to be shut down.
I'm with you.
Damn. Sex robot is with me. I should not refer to her as that.
Okay. I'm in.
Okay. I got... That was a very short one. That's what she said. And I did everything. But it seems like not everyone on Earth did everything. But everyone spoke to Lucy, because she's hot. Obviously. Yeah. But yeah. I'm gonna cut it here because my battery on my mic is running low. But yeah. It was quite the day, and hopefully tomorrow I can get to set up this stream and it actually works out properly. Why am I cursed? Good question. Hey, thanks for tuning in once again. My PS4 didn't blow up just yet. Maybe for the 5th episode it will. Who knows? But was Adrien. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully at 8. Hopefully. That's always very hopeful. Have a nice evening, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Yo.